Welcome back to our financial awareness series where I help interior designers confidently understand and manage their business finances. In celebration of National Financial Awareness Day, upcoming on August 14th, we're breaking down each component of the financial reports that you should be using throughout your design practice. I'm Caprice, owner of Propos'Ability, an accounting firm that has exclusively served interior designers since 2015. We provide accounting, financial advisory, and software training services. In our previous video, we walked through how to pull a balance sheet from Studio Designer, and in today's video, we're going to break down its key section, making it simple and easy to understand for the number-adverse creative. Let's get started with our first asset section of the balance sheet, cash. The cash asset section of the balance sheet shows you how much money your firm has readily available to spend or use for immediate needs. As you're reviewing the balance sheet, you would generally expect for your cash accounts to be listed first. These generally are going to correspond with your bank accounts, so any checking or savings accounts that you utilize exclusively for business purposes. We don't mix business and personal transactions. You already know better. You can customize the names of these accounts so that it shows your particular banking institution and whether it's a checking or savings account. And it can be helpful to add the last 4 digits of the account numbers for easy reference. The important thing to note about this section is that you want the figures listed to match your ending balance on your bank statement. The bank statements may look a little bit different based off of your particular banking institution's format, but you'll want to locate your ending balance, and you want those 2 numbers to be identical. There may be some times when these numbers don't match, and there's legitimate reasons why. Maybe you sent a check to a vendor that hasn't been deposited, or it can be an indication that something is incorrectly posted to the wrong account. But these should be far and in between, and they should be easily explainable. If the number listed doesn't match, it's a good indication that you'll want to delve deeper to find out why. The next section is undeposited funds. Undeposited funds reflects any check payments that you've received and have been recorded in the system, but they haven't yet been deposited into your bank account. Personally, I don't use or recommend using this account since typically you'd be getting to the bank within a day or so, or you would be electronically depositing the checks relatively quickly. So posting to this account really just adds another step. Posting the payment directly to the appropriate bank suffices. If there's a number corresponding to undeposited funds, you'll want to question why and take the appropriate action. Either go deposit the check or transfer the funds within Studio to the account that it was deposited into. The last account in the cash section is petty cash. Petty cash is any cash that you've taken out of the bank or you've personally contributed to the business and you keep it on hand for maybe deliveries for like tip guys, deliveries, or to grab things here and there. If you utilize petty cash, then this number should correspond to the amount of money that you have on hand. Keeping an eye on this figure is going to be a good idea because it can roll over from month to month forever. So if there is a number here, you want to make sure that it's accurate and that you agree with it. That's it for this section. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below or reach out to us directly. I'll leave our contact information in the description box. I hope this breakdown of the cash section of the balance sheet has been helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe, or click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our next videos in this series where I'll continue to break down each component of the balance sheet.